Hello everyone, in this video we will be comparing two strings in Solidity, and to do that let's create our function, and here we will say compare. For the first string we will use function parameters, so we will say string memory and underscore word, and for the second string we will be hard coding it inside the function. External pure returns. So if the strings are the same, it will return a boolean saying true. If the strings are not the same, then it will return a boolean saying false. So let's create our condition here. So underscore word, if word is equal to, let's say, apple, then we will return true. Else we will return false. So this is actually a totally correct way of comparing two strings in other languages, but in Solidity it doesn't work like that. We cannot compare two strings directly to each other. So let me show it to you. You see it gives an error. So to overcome this situation, we need to use some extra methods here. One of them is going to be catcheck256 and the other one is going to be one of those. And why we are using catcheck? Because the slightest change in the input will produce a different output. So it's very secure, and it's also very easy to compare when you convert them to a hexadecimal number. Then it becomes very easy to compare them. Let's use our catcheck. So to use catcheck, we just need to say catcheck256 and wrap whatever you want to convert and put it inside the parentheses. So the same thing here. Catcheck256 and again wrap the input, and that's it. So if we are gonna do it like that, still it will give error because catcheck256 it cannot access the function parameter value here, and for that reason we need to use another method here. I mean, one of those, any of them is fine, but we need to use one of them. So maybe we can use, I don't know, abi.encodePacked. abi.encodePacked. So when we are using abi.encodePacked or abi.encode or bytes, they are converting the input into bytes data type value, and later by using catcheck we are we are getting a hash value for that bytes data type value, and then we are comparing these two hash values. So here now we wrap them with abi.encodePacked. So I will do the same here, abi.encodePacked, and also the same. Now actually our function is finished, and you might be thinking that if we are going to need to use abi.encodePacked, then why we are using catcheck at all in this equality comparison operator? You cannot use it directly with the bytes data type values, so you need to convert them to a hash code, to a hash value, and later use that comparison operator. It's already compiled. Let's deploy. So here, first, let's enter the correct word. I say apple. You see it returned true. Let's say apples. It returns false. So that's how you do it. And see you next time. Bye bye.